Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. And Friday also, we failed to get any direction on the chart of gold. If you solely trade on gold, then the week was very frustrating, I believe, because we were looking for a direction and gold was just dancing to its own tunes. Hopefully, the next week or the coming week will be better. Okay, and if we look at the chart of gold, then we can see that gold is just lingering around 3330 range, and gold is still not giving us any signs whether gold will be bullish or bearish in the coming days. Okay, so let's do an analysis of gold and let's try to find out the best trading opportunities for Monday. And if you look at the market sentiment, you can see gold set for weekly lows. Gold prices hovered below 3340 per ounce on Friday, retaining losses from the previous session and on track for its worst week since late June, as hotter than expected US data tempered hopes for a large Fed rate cut. So overall, okay, the gold goes on a negative sentiment. But whether gold will be bearish in the next days is just a big question for us. So at first, let's look at the daily chart of gold. And as we all know, my dear friends, that for the last couple of weeks, gold is struggling for a direction. That's why we can see that gold's chart is sideways on the daily time frame. Overall, the market is bullish. There is no doubt about it. Overall, the chart is bullish, but right now we can see that gold is sideways. So if you're a swing trader or if you hold your positions for a couple of days to a couple of weeks, then obviously buy at dip or buy at retracement is still the best trading strategy for you, because gold is fundamentally bullish always, and moreover, the trend of the market also has not changed. If we see gold going below 3200, okay, then you can expect that, oh my god, there is heavy selling pressure, gold will be bearish for the next few days. But as of now, gold is still sideways on the higher time frame and there is no denial. Okay, and if we look at the contracts data, you can see this is the contracts data, and we have a good support around 3300. See, the previous low is 3335. 3335 is the previous low of the market. In case market starts falling also on Monday, I don't see gold going below 3300 that easily. There's a high chance that gold will take support. Buyers around 3300 will give a tough fight. In case any news doesn't come out, I think market will be able to hold this level for quite some time. So if you're a swing trader, yes, you can try to look for a buy around 3300 to 3280. This can be a good buying zone for swing traders if you see market taking support around this area, because around 3300 we can see that we have a good support. I won't say that extremely strong support, the market won't be going below it, not that, but still in comparison to other levels, 3300 seems to be a good support on the chart of gold right now. Okay, so market is sideways. Swing traders, you can look for a buy around 3300 3280 area. And this is the 4-hour chart, 4 घंटे chart of gold in front of us. Okay, 4-hour chart is a very reliable time frame, slow time frame for day traders, but a reliable time frame. 4-hour chart is clearly showing us a sideways picture. Okay, daily chart was obviously okay, was picking that it's sideways, but we get a more clear picture on the 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see it's a sideways market. In sideways market, the simple trading strategy or the most reliable trading strategy should be buy at support, sell at resistance. People lose patience, they enter on the middle of the chart, they lose patience and they pay price. If you really want to make some good money, then buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading strategy for any sideways market. So here also we can see that okay, this is the best trading strategy, and if gold starts falling, technically we have a good support around 3275 area. Okay, 3275, because market took support. The last dotted line, the black dotted line here, okay, market took support around this area. Okay, so this is a good support zone on the chart of gold. Or if you want a zone, then it's a 3275 to 3270. Okay, so this green line is a good support, and here you can see around 3300 we have a support. Why? The small previous resistance will be working as support. Actually, it's a round number, 3300. So I think, okay, around 3300, 3295 area, market should get some support. So in case market drops also on Monday, as a day trader or swing trader, you can look for a buy around these two areas, because technically and from the contracts data we can see that we have a good amount of buyers present. If any news doesn't come out that will drive the market crazy, okay, then we can expect the market to take support. If you see market taking support, hit the buy button. This is the hourly chart, and you will get a more clear picture here. So this was the 327570 level that we were discussing, and this is the 3300 area. Okay, this one. And you can see before 3300, we also have another support around 3210. Where? 3210. Why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support. Okay, so 3210, not a very strong support because of contracts, but from price action perspective, it is a support where we can expect a bounce. So if you're a day trader, okay, observe the market on 3210 also, we can expect a good bounce. So on the chart of gold, in simple words, साधारण शब्दों में, on the chart of gold, we have three supports: 3210, 3210, not a very major support, but as a day trader, we can expect a bounce. Then we have support around 3300 and 32757 area. Okay, so if market drops, we can look for a buy around this. Okay. Now it all comes down to market opening, because there is no direction. If you are still wondering, Vilas, in which direction the market will go, nobody knows. Nobody can predict the market. Okay, we can just behave according to the market's movement. Okay, we can just react, not predict. So the market opening is going to play a major role. If you see, listen to me carefully, okay, if you see market is going down after a market opening, okay, observe the market around 3329 to 2932 area. If market opens with very low volume, अगर कम volume के साथ open होता है, okay, you can expect a bounce. As a day trader, you can expect a bounce of 40 to 50 pips. Because to break any level, volume is extremely important. Usually we don't see much volume on the first half of Monday. If market opens with low volume, as a day trader, you can look for a bounce of 40 to 50 pips. Once only, ek bar bas. Okay. If you see market is taking support, go for a buy position. After that, throughout the day, if you see market is just consolidating, there is no direction, market is boring, it means that, okay, there is a high chance that market will go down. After some consolidation, if we see gold going below 3328, we can look for a sell position. But keep in mind, right after the market opening, if gold starts falling without volume, then please avoid a sell at breakdown. Because for any breakout or breakdown, consolidation is important. If market takes support around 3332, 2932, 2932 area, we can look for a buy if there's not much volume. If it drops with volume, then it's a different story, but we need consolidation first. And if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, then we have selling opportunities around 3353 and 335860. Okay, on the chart of gold, we have selling opportunity around 60, 58, 58, 60, then 3353. These are the two selling opportunities on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell. What is the logic? Same logic. The previous support will be working as resistance here. We have seen on the chart of gold that price action, okay, does really a fine job. So here we are just using the price action here, and along with price action, okay, we are also using our beloved FIBO around 3360. You can see not only we have previous support working as resistance, but also FIBO 38.2% retracement level. And if we change the FIBO also, okay, if we go to a lower time frame and change the FIBO, then also we can see that our FIBO is doing a fine job around 335050. But 50 53 ke paas we have FIBO 50% retracement level. and around 336058 we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So if market goes up or the choppiness of the market continues, then definitely we can look for a sell opportunity around this area. But as of now, there is no direction, so we can play level to level. If you're a swing trader looking for a direction in the market, this is not the right time to take any position, because still gold has not given us any clear-cut answer yet. Maybe we will get in the next few days, but as of now, gold is directionless, gold is answerless. So if you really want to trade on gold, then just go with the flow. That is the only trading strategy you can follow. The best supports on the chart of gold are far away. Those are 327075, 3300 and 3210. Far away, बहुत दूर है. Before that, we can look for a sell below 3328 if market drops with volume. Market opening is going to play a major role. If market behaves like a normal Monday market, as a day trader, we can look for a quick bounce of 40-50 pips. Same SL, okay, we around 3329 area. Okay. After consolidation, if market drops, slips below 3329, we can sell below 3328. After a market opening, if market goes up, we can look for sell around 50-53 and 58-60. These are the two selling opportunities. These are the only trading opportunities on the chart of gold that I see right now. Obviously, there are some other opportunities as well. And also on the 5 minute time frame, but obviously I do not want to discuss them because those are low reliable. You can follow them for as per your own trading strategy. Okay, but this is my analysis. Okay, if I miss anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to